We picked this 1155 up a couple of years ago, did a lot of minor repairs to it, and fixed the paint up a little bit. Ran it for a couple of years and decided it's time to put a new clutch in it. So we've removed the cab, and one thing we did to make this a little simpler was we took the tires and we spread them out as far as they would go. That way the cab would come off between the tires. We didn't have to raise it up so high. Here's the cab. Had to unhook the wiring and the air conditioner hoses. Then to help lift it off, we made these lifting brackets that bolt on where the fenders came off. Put one on each side. That way we were able to put a hoist on each side and lift from each side. We're able to just fish the 4 auxiliary hydraulic lines up from the back that go to the control valve. That way only had to unhook 2 lines instead of 6.